Let's talk about something that has quietly and sometimes even loudly divided Nigerians for decades: the Yoruba versus Igbo tension. If you spend any time on social media today, Twitter, TikTok, even YouTube comment sections, you'll see it. Arguments, insults, historical accusations being thrown back and forth. And honestly, it's sad. Because if you look at Nigeria from a strategic point of view, Igbo and Yoruba people should be natural allies. But instead, we often behave like enemies. So the question is, what exactly is this fight about? Where did it start? And more importantly, why is it still continuing today? To understand this issue, we have to go back, not to social media, not to modern politics, but back to history. Pre-independence and post-independence Nigeria. One of the earliest flashpoints in Nigeria was in 1951. At the time, Nnamdi Azikiwe, he was the leader of the NCNC. He had strong political influence in the western region. But something happened. There was what many people described as an overnight political shift, where a significant number of Yoruba politicians, they aligned themselves with the newly formed action group led by Awolowo. This move changed the political balance in the West.